Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale B2B sales with Oracle, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale B2B sales with Oracle, begin by assessing your current sales processes. Identify gaps and areas for improvement within your sales funnel. Research Oracle solutions that align with your specific business needs. Create a comprehensive plan to integrate Oracle tools into your existing infrastructure. Ensure that your sales team is trained on how to use the new Oracle tools effectively. Utilize Oracle's Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, to manage client interactions. Leverage data analytics features within Oracle to gain insights into customer behavior. Implement automated marketing tools through Oracle to reach potential clients more efficiently. Segment your target audience based on the insights gained from Oracle's data analysis. Craft personalized marketing messages and campaigns tailored to each audience segment. Utilize Oracle's lead scoring system to prioritize leads based on their engagement and likelihood to convert. Monitor the performance of your sales team using Oracle's reporting features. Encourage consistent feedback from your sales team to refine processes continuously. Adjust your sales strategies based on data collected from Oracle's analytics tools. Implement a structured follow-up process to nurture leads through the sales cycle. Collaborate with your marketing team to align efforts with sales strategies and objectives. Use Oracle's integration capabilities to connect with other tools your team may be using. Regularly review your sales metrics to track progress and identify trends. Take advantage of Oracle's training resources to keep your team updated on best practices. Solicit input from stakeholders to refine your approach as needed. Foster a culture of innovation within your sales team to encourage new ideas. Scale your operations gradually, ensuring that your systems can handle increased demand. Keep communication open across teams to ensure alignment in goals and strategies. Adjust your sales targets and projections based on the data collected. Continuously evaluate your Oracle setup to ensure it meets the evolving needs of your business. Optimize your approach based on customer feedback and market conditions. Develop long-term relationships with clients through consistent engagement strategies. Stay informed about Oracle updates and features that can enhance your sales processes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.